Okay, picture this. You're in someone else's living room, half-dressed, your heart pounding louder than a marching band during halftime. The door swings open. In stumbles Dave, Sarah's husband, clutching a beer and looking like he just lost a fight with gravity. I freeze. Sarah's eyes widen like she's caught shoplifting snacks. Dave doesn't even notice the tension. He's all honey. The ref was blind, I'm telling you. He breezes right past me, like I'm a decorative houseplant. Sarah, to her credit, tries to sound chill. Hey, honey, you're home early. Except her voice is so bright, I'm pretty sure it's visible from space. Dave finally clocks me. Mark, didn't see you there, buddy. Here to dissect the game too? I just smile and nod, like yeah, totally I always hang out in your living room, shirtless. He waves me over, nearly taking out my eye with a beer bottle. Grab a brewski, man. The ref tonight? Absolute trash. So now I'm sitting on the couch holding a beer I don't want and trying not to make direct eye contact with anyone. Sarah keeps mouthing, I'm so sorry, which is super helpful. Thanks, Sarah. Dave, meanwhile, is flipping through channels ranting, that holding call? Bulls hash tea. He pats me on the shoulder so hard I see my ancestors. You get it, Mark. Sarah doesn't get it. Do you feel the outrage? I do, but for entirely different reasons. Next thing I know, Dave's offering me another beer. What do you think of their defensive lineup, huh? Weak, right? Now I'm trapped in the world's least voluntary football analysis session. Sarah tries to rescue me. Honey, maybe Mark was just leaving. But Dave isn't having it. Nonsense! He's one of us now. Suddenly, Dave lets out a victory cheer, nearly douses me in beer, and pulls me into a side hug that smells like nachos and regret. That's what I'm talking about. High five, buddy. I high five for my life. And then, he's back to the game, as if nothing was ever weird. Sarah just stares at me, silent scream mode, like, how is this my life? Some nights, denial is stronger than confrontation. So, what would you do? Like, subscribe and tell me in the comments, because honestly, I'm still trying to figure out if that really just happened.